Hey everyone, this is John from New Streams, and today I want to talk about an investment app called Acorns. Acorns is an app that you can find in the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store that you can download to your smart device and use to do investments and make investments on. So basically, Acorns takes your change from purchases that you make and it rounds it up to the nearest dollar. You can take this Acorns app and you can link your debit cards or your credit cards to this Acorns app. And when you make purchases, you can then get the difference of the change rounded up to the nearest dollar and automatically invest it into the stock market for you. Basically, they have fund managers that manage their funds. And so what it does is it mimics the amount of change that you would get back, and it rounds it up to the nearest dollar. And then it takes that amount and it invests it into an investment account for you, the investment account that you set up on the app. So as you can see in my Acorns app that I have here, I started these investments back in March timeframe, between January and March timeframe. Don't remember the exact date, but I started way back then, and I only started with a little bit of investing. And as you can see, I'm up close to $550. I'm getting nearer to $550 mark, and I started with just nothing. And that was just this year. And then as you can see, there were gains that I had on this portfolio in Acorns. And what I started to do recently was to go ahead and start doing automatic monthly contributions to this Acorn account, $50 every month. And then what I also started was a Roth IRA with Acorns, which you can do inside the Acorns app. So that's great for that. It's everything's you can set it up. You can set up everything to be automatic investing. You can also set up accounts for your children if you have children and invest into their future by having an investment account set aside just for your children, so that when they reach the age of I want to say it's between 18 and 21, that you can go ahead and give them this account of money that you have set aside for them to use when they get older. So Acorns is been around for a while, and a lot of people are using it. A lot of people like it. Let me know in the comments below how you feel about Acorns, whether you like it or don't like it. Stay tuned for more videos and more information about different streams of income that you can create to make your future better and to better support your family by investing in not only in yourself, but investing in the stock market, investing in mutual funds, ETFs, so on and so forth, to make your portfolio more diversified and more robust. This is John from New Streams, and thanks for coming. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.